Hello, everyone, and welcome to FAMTech Smarter Design, leveraging technologies for strategic, connected project planning. Happening today, May 8th, 2025. We are so excited to have you join us in this virtual session. Thank you for being part of this innovative gathering where technology meets strategic design. In this session, expect practical insight on design innovation, smart technologies, and digital solution. Each track brings a fresh and unique perspective, so be sure to explore as many as you can throughout the event. To help you navigate this virtual experience, here's a quick guide. First, click on Introduction and Info for general event details and live session access. Check out Exhibitor section to explore featured products and chat directly with brand representatives. Need some help or have some question? Visit the community room to connect with our support team or raise any technical concerns. Need some help? After watching this session, don't forget to complete the quick post-track survey. Two lucky viewers will win 250 Gcash vouchers, and winners will be selected based on the number of correct answers across the tracks we have watched. That means the more tracks you explore and answer, the better your chances of winning. Fantech's marketing team will contact the winners after post-event validation. Are you thinking of joining us in person? We'd love to see you. Just head to the location menu for venue details and give our dedicated number a call to confirm your attendance on site. And while you're here, don't miss the exhibitor section where you can chat with our partner brands, discover new solution, and even unlock exclusive offers. And if you need help along the way, the community room is always open for your questions and concerns. To stay updated and connected beyond today, simply scan the QR code that you can see on screen and follow Fantech's official Viber and MS Teams communities. You'll get access to exclusive content, special offers, and timely event updates. If you need assistance, you can reach us out anytime through our email inquiry at fantech-innovative.com. You can also contact our hotline at 0968 614-0597. Also, be sure to follow FamTech Innovative on Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube for more updates. Just search our name on your favorite platform. And now, let's dive into today's track and hear from one of our incredible thought leaders. Enjoy and be inspired.
Hi everyone, good day. So before I start my presentation, let me first introduce myself. I'm Leon De La Cruz, the product solutions engineer of LGLFT, one of the product solutions engineer under VSTCS. So today I'll be presenting about LG large format display. So I hope everyone knows, or I think everyone is familiar with the LG brand. So LG is known for its world-class home appliances, diba? Sa mga washing machines, sa air condition, but number one is yung televisions natin. For this morning, I'll be sharing or presenting what LG offers, especially under our business solutions. So what will be the difference between our business solutions and sa mga consumers natin na mga LG products, which can be found sa mga local malls natin. Okay, so let me just move on with my presentation. So let's start with a brief history of LG. Okay, so in 1947, the first LG was known as the Lucky Chemical Company. So did you know that yung first product niya is not on the electronic side, which is yung mga TVs natin or yung mga washing machines natin sa bahay, but its first product was cosmetic products. Okay, so its name was Lucky Chemical Company. And moving forward to 1955, meron sila naging toothpaste. In 1956, nag-PVC pipe sila. And in 1957, they have the vinyl flooring covering ng mga products. And moving forward to 1958, they founded the Lucky Chemical Company to Gold Star. Right? And doon na nag-start and offering their electronics industry. So we have here in 1959, they introduced the Korea's first radio, And in 1966, Korea's first black and white TV. And now to 1995, they rebranded the company as the LG Electronics. So LG stands for Lucky Gold Star. So yung nalalaman nating life's good is it's under in their slogan na. Okay? So in 1998 and up to 2020 to 2012, they introduced the world's first 84-inch LCD TV. Up to today, they continue to provide different solutions that we can offer to you, to our customers, when it comes to more on the commercial side. Okay, so let's proceed. So first, why LG or why LG Electronics? So out of many brands of monitor edges, why do we have to choose LG Electronics? It's because of their superior LCD technology, which is the in-plane switching, or what we call the IPS. So there are three types of LCD technology or panel. So we have the VA, which is the vertical alignment, TN, twisted pneumatic, and this one, which is the IPS, or the in-plane switching. So let me introduce what are the benefits of the in-plane switching sa mga LG monitor challenges natin, and paano siya naiiba to other brands, right? So here, for in-plane switching technology, so we have stable panel. So for stable panel, IPS has fast liquid crystal recovery property. So therefore, no flash occurs whenever you touching the screen. So yung mga flash occurs, yun yung pag tinatouch natin yung screen, nagkakaroon ng mga um, sa skin natin. So, due to its fast recovery crystal. Okay. So, later on, we do have a videos that can have test yung mga stable panels natin. That way, you can understand yung mga sinasabi nating benefits with in-plane switching. Next, we have color accuracy. So, under a color accuracy, so since IPS technology displays accurate color for each pixel closest to the original image and reproduce natural color without distortion. For blackening defect free, so even under direct sunlight exposure, our LG commercial monitors remain free of blackening defects even under 110 degrees Celsius and can still provide superior quality for outdoor usage. So this is very important and advantage sa mga pang outdoor signages natin. Okay, lastly, we have the wide viewing angle. So CIPS has better control of its liquid crystal, and in consequence, it allows you to watch the screen virtually at any angle. So to understand further yung mga benefits and features ni IPS, let me show you some short videos on how they explain these types of technology under the IPS. So first we have pressure test, the temperature test, and blackening defect.
You are going to see us hitting the screen with our fingertips and fists using the same amount of pressure for both. VA panels flicker brightly when touched and has very high image retention, resulting in inaccurate images and burn-ins. On the other hand, the IPS panel from LG maintains a stable image even when struck with a considerable amount of force.
Okay, so yun po yung pressure test natin. Next, we'll have the temperature test.
Signage products are exposed to high heat and sunlight 24/7, which is why durability is one of the key aspects of the product. This was shot by a thermal imaging camera, which shows the temperature change of the two panels when they are on. You can clearly see that the VA panel's temperature increases dramatically compared to the IPS panel under the same conditions. Rapid temperature changes can eat up a lot of electricity as the fan speed increases to lower temperature.
Okay, so that's our temperature test.
Next, we created a comparison of the two panels under heavy sunlight using artificial light. 5 minutes later, we started to see a black patch on the VA panel. These are called hotspots, which appear when the panel's temperature rises over 75 degrees Celsius. Hotspots will disappear once it cools down, but if this happens often, it leaves patches on the panel which can leave permanent damage on the screen. On the other hand, The IPS panel presents crystal clear images under the same conditions. So, you've seen the stress test for IPS and VA panels in various conditions.
Okay, so those are the pressure test, temperature test, and the blackening defect test for IPS versus our VA panels. So lastly, the wide viewing angle. So makita po natin on the upper of the screen. So andyan po yung LG IPS panel natin versus our competitor, which is using the VA panel. So you can see even to the sa pinaka na last angle niya, so we could see clearly the content compared to the VA panel na medyo lumalaban na yung brightness natin. So, take note, this is for outdoor signages. So, it's very important that to have a wide viewing angle ng mga features or benefits for our monitor signages. Okay, so this is our IPS versus our VA panel. So let's proceed now to our product portfolio. So we do have two types of category of our product portfolio. So we have the our commercial and hotel TV and our monitor signages. But before we proceed to the product portfolio, let me show you a quick comparison table between our commercial TV and monitor signages compared to the consumer TVs. Now for consumer TVs, ito po yung mga TVs that can be bought locally sa mga local malls natin. So for our commercial TV and monitor signages, this is what we offer under under LGLFT, under VSD ECS. So on this table now, let's focus on the top 5 row with of this table. So we have warranty, usage hours, panel lifespan, brightness, and the management solution. So first for warranty, usually for consumer TV, it would stay up to 1 year and can be extended to 2 years for warranty. But for our commercial TV, minimum would be 2 years. It can extend to 3 to 4 years. And for our monitor signages, minimum would be 3 years and can be extended to 4 to 5 years. So the difference between our consumer TV and to our commercial TV and monitor signages is that when it comes to warranty, so sa consumer TV natin, ang nangyayari is that pag nagkaroon ng diferensya yung TVs natin, what do we usually do? 'Di ba, example, naka-mount siya. So, tatanggalin natin, unmount, and then we'll bring it to the closest accredited service center ni LG or whatever brand. And then, so, medyo hassle na siya, especially for our clients. But compared to our commercial TV and monitor signage under LG, hindi nyo na kailangan i-unmount or hindi na kayo ma-hassle na ilabas yung mga monitor signages natin from your business or from your company or for your address or sa mga ano natin. O you don't have to bring them to the accredited center or service center kasi si LG Tech na mismo ang pupunta sa mga addresses natin, whatever or wherever here nationwide. So yung pinakamalapit syempre. So it's also one of the factors as well. So, si LG Tech na pupunta to check and to magpalit man ng parts if needed. Okay, so yan. So, those are that is the warranty for LG large format display. Okay, next we have usage hours. So for consumer TV, since this is more on the household side, so normal would be 6 by 7 to 8 by 7 siya. But for commercial TV and monitor signages, since we are offering for business solutions, so we have minimum for commercial TV is 16 by 7, and then for monitor signages, minimum 16 by 7, 18 by 7, and 24 by 7. Since more on sa business solution siya for business industries, may mga iba na nag-ooperate 24/7, especially for best example sa mga monitoring natin. So yan. So that's one of the example for 24/7 natin ng mga monitor signages. Next, we have the panel lifespan. So for consumer TV, normal will be 10,000 to 15,000 hours. For commercial TV, 25 to 30,000 hours. And monitor signages would be 50,000 to 60,000 hours. Also, but also it will depend on how we utilize our commercial and monitor signages. Okay? But, and then for our brightness, since for household lang siya, so minimum would be 250 nits, which is yun yung standard or yung normal na brightness for a consumer TV. Now, for our commercial TV, so we have 200 up to 430 nits of brightness. And lastly, for our monitor signages, we have 300 up to 3,000 nits brightness. So, bakit umaabot ng 3,000 nits yung brightness for our monitor signages? So, for the under the 3,000 nits, this is under our outdoor signages. So, it's very important na mataas yung brightness ng mga pang-outdoor natin. Since, di ba, dito sa atin, may mga sunlight, factors ng sunlight rin. So, that way, even though nasa labas yung mga monitor signages natin, they can still provide good quality and image ng any of the content na pinapalabas natin, di-distribute natin. Since ang number one priority natin for monitor signages for outdoor is more on the advertisement, di ba? So that's it. So that one of the important things about higher brightness. So next, lastly, or we have the management solution. So for consumer TV, since pang household nga siya, management solution is not needed for consumer TV. So we have management solution under commercial TV and our monitor signages. So for commercial TV, we have the Procentric solution. So for Procentric solution, so we have LG Procentric Direct. So this is for hotels, resorts, and other businesses. So what you can do here can customize and brand their TVs with their own logos, graphics, and even messages, as well offer guests easy access to a variety of interactive services such as mga room service, weather updates, and information about the hotel. So dito rin pumapasok yung mga different buttons of cable TVs or available restos nearby. So makikita siya and customizable naman siya sa mga hotel TVs natin. So that's under Procentric solution. Next, we have the monitor sizes. So magkaiba, okay? For monitor sizes, we have the LG SuperSign CMS. So this is a content management for our monitor sizes where client can create, edit, schedule, and distribute content wirelessly to the monitor signages. Okay, so later on, we'll explain further kung ano bang meron si LG SuperSign CMS. But this is under now for monitor signages. Okay, so those are the one of the important factors in understanding the consumer TV versus to what we offer, which is the commercial TV and the monitor signages. Okay, so let's proceed to our next slide, which is our product portfolio. So let's go first with our commercial and hotel TV. So if you could see on the right side of your screen, so ito yung mga common denominator or usually lahat ng mga um, features na meron lahat yung commercial and hotel TVs natin. So we have a web browser, Magic Motion remote controller, seamless connectivity, sound sync, soft access point, and conformal coating. So let me discuss isa-isa natin. So first we have web browser. So here it lets your guest enjoy web surfing just like a PC but on a bigger screen. So pang smart TV na siya talaga. Okay, we have Magic Motion Remote Control. So you can point, drag, and drop yung sa screen natin. So parang cursor na siya. So sa mouse cursor. So it's the most convenient and advanced remote. So you can just like, yun nga, para lang siyang mouse. So also, this is separate Hindi siya like kasama na siya sa TVs natin or type of commercial hotel TVs natin. But if the specific TV monitor is compatible with this type of feature, so pwede siya. So pwede tayo mag-add on ng itong Magic Motion Remote Control. So meron din siyang voice, yan. So available rin siya sa ganyang feature. Okay? So yan, again, so sold separately si remote control natin because it will depend on the type of the model, right? Next, we have seamless connectivity. So this allows users to share content more easily and quickly. So available yan or compatible with Miracast. So Miracast, meron siya kailangan lang with the same my internet connection and same network. And then we have also AirPlay. Okay, so wireless display meron din tayo. We have Bluetooth sync. So yan, enables users to listen to music on mobile device through TV speakers via Bluetooth connection. And we have soft access point or the soft AP. So soft AP access this is the virtual Wi-Fi feature. So in short sa mga phones natin hotspot. Okay? So it's important to know when the soft access point is enabled, hindi tayo nakakagamit ng smart mirroring. Okay? Yung mga Miracast natin. So it's important if you want to mirror or share content, kailangan naka-disable yung soft access point natin. Okay? So next we have proceed. Ayan, so actually that's the last na, so soft access point. Okay, so let's proceed to our commercial TV. So we do offer different types of models for the commercial TV. So what I'm showing you here is that one of the products na arati namin ino-offer. So we have UR640S and the UT801C. So si UT801C, this is the closest to the consumer TV, which is may mga smart TV na pwede yung mga Netflix, pwede yung mga Hey Google natin, works with Hey Google. Okay, so yan. So UT801C. So we offer them in variants of sizes from 43, 50, 55, 65, 70, 75, and up to 86 inches. Next for hotel TV, so we have UM662H. Minimum would be 43, 50, 55, and we have 65. Okay, so that's under our hotel TV. Next, we have our monitor sizes. So under our monitor sizes, we do have different types of monitor sizes. So we have the standard, high brightness, stretch, video walls, LED, touch, and our one quick series. Okay, so before we proceed there, let me walk you through sa isa sa mga features na meron lahat ng monitor sizes that I'll be discussing after this few slides. So we have WebOS. So si WebOS, this is the smart platform used by LG's range of smart TVs. Kumbaga, ito yung nagpapa-smart TV sa mga monitor signages natin. Okay, so all models that will be discussed from this point has built-in WebOS. So what's the difference ba ng WebOS na meron yung LG signages natin compare sa mga conventional TV? Now, for conventional TV or monitor signages, for that to be smart TV, what we usually do is bumibili tayo ng media player. Okay? So, ano gagawin sa media player? So, yung media player, sasaksak natin sa power source and then i-connect natin sa LAN. And then, in that point, i-connect na natin yung TV natin sa media player and then i-connect natin sa power source. So, madami siyang connection na kailangan i-gawin, di ba? So, very hassle. So, when it comes to our monitor signages, since the WebOS is built in, automatic power source na lang and LAN, you do now have the smart TV or the LG monitor signages. So that's one of the factors or advantages of our monitor signages. So next, let's proceed with conformal coating. So conformal coating, this is a protective layer of material applied sa mga electronic components ng monitor signages natin to safeguard them from environmental factors such as yung mga moisture, dust, chemicals, and temperature variation. So especially for our hotel TVs, yung mga hotel na malalapit sa dagat, ayan, so humidity environment natin dito. So that's one of the environmental factors. Okay, so available rin to itong conformal coating sa mga new models under our commercial and hotel TVs. So let me show you an example. So on your left side of the screen, so nandyan yung non-conformal coating sa PCB. And on the right side, that would be your with conformal coating. If you could see on the left side of the screen, without a conformal coating, habang tumatagal, due to environmental factors, nagkakaroon ng rust yung components natin. And in the long run, yun yung be reason na hindi magtatagal yung mga signages or yung monitor signages natin. So to protect the lifespan of our monitor surges, especially with their components, diyan pumapasok yung conformal coating. Acts as an extra layer of protection sa mga components. Okay? So that's our conformal coating. So let's start here with the first type of our monitor signages. We have UHD or our indoor type. Okay, so ito yung mga pang-indoor natin na monitor signages. So we have our UM5N. So we do offer in different or variant sizes. So we have minimum would be 43 and highest size would be up to 110. So medyo malaki na siya, 'di ba? So if that's for larger space areas sa mga malls, sa mga company lobbies, so we could use that as well. So one of its applications. Okay, so long operational hours. So if you're looking towards monitoring, so kailangan 24 by 7 open yung monitors natin. So this is one of the models that we really offer to our clients kasi kung 24 by 7 yung needed nila or required nila na operation hour operational hours, okay? So yan. So we have up to 110-inch na pang indoor monitor signages. So high resolution na rin siya, naka 4K resolution na rin yung mga monitor signages natin. Next, so here example yan. So UM5N natin and so si UM5NH, so 43 up to 65. But if you need higher sizes ng TV, so we can move to UH5J, which is offers 75, 86, and 98. Okay? So yan. Another example ng mga models natin. Ito yung pinaka highest size na, which is 110 inches. Okay? So next type would be high brightness or our outdoor. Pang outdoor natin. So we have two types. We have window facing and outdoor enclosure. So for window facing, we offer 49, 55, and 75 inches. And for our outdoor would be minimum of 22 up to 86 inch. So sa 86 inch, nandyan manang yung 3,000 nits brightness natin. Okay? Also, one of the advantage or one of the features that we have for high brightness is that IP56 na siya, and then it has a protective glass which is IK10. Okay, slim and robust design na rin yung mga outdoor signages natin. So that's one of the example. This is for our 86 inch. Okay. So next we have stretch. So if you need space fitting na mga design na monitor signages, we have this. So this is another indoor type of our monitor signages. So ultra stretch, we have 37 and 86 inch. So it also supports multi-screen mode. So up to example, gusto tayo natin i-tile. So up to 4 na ultra stretch ang kaya niya i-tile. Okay? So support tiling rin siya. Okay, if you could see this one sa mga airports, sa mga banks, yan. So usually dyan natin nakikita yung mga stretch signages natin. So we have another type of stretch, ultra stretch. We have the 105 BM5N. So one of its advantage or feature nito is 21:9 yung aspect ratio nito. So widescreen, optimized for business environments. Also good for um, meetings. So we have mga virtual meetings natin since very wide yung screen niya. So it's also good for meeting rooms. Okay? So high resolution display na rin. So that's our stretch signage. Okay, next we have our video wall. So we offer types of video walls by bezel to bezel. Okay, so we offer ultra narrow bezels natin. So if you can see here, we have 0.8 to 0.88 mm, we have 1.8 and 3.5 m. So if gusto natin mas seamless tingnan, so let's proceed to 0.88 millimeters for our bezel to bezel. Okay, so here, let me show you. So for our video walls, bezel competitive tayo, white balance, and picture quality competitive. So mas narrow yung bezel, so mas seamless siya tingnan. Okay? So we offer it varies also on the sa brightness natin. So yan, we have here 3.5 mm bezel to bezel. We have dalawa lang naman po yung sizes natin. So we have 49 and 55 inch. So yan, again, as mentioned, it varies also sa brightness. So we offer 500 nits and 700 nits. Okay? So yan. Also, we have our LED wall. So we have here our all-in-one na LG LED. So may built-in speaker na siya, may embedded system controller na. So easy installation na siya. So if you could see here, may all you have to do is attach the LED modules to the cabinet. So in case magkaroon ng problema sa isang pixel ng isang LED module, so pwede lang natin palitan yung LED module na may nagkaroon ng diferensya sa pixel niya. Then just provide another or mapapalitan na siya agad. Okay? So easy installation na siya. So that's our LG LED all-in-one na LED wall. So here we have our indoor and outdoor type na mga LED walls natin. So on how we offer our LED walls is it varies sa tinatawag natin pixel pitch. Okay, so for a smaller pixel pitch corresponds to higher resolution sa LED display, or the smaller pixel pitch allows for crisper images and borders when a screen is viewed from lesser distance. So, tinitake rin natin yung factor ng gaano siya kalayo or gaano siya kalapit. So that is our LED wall, okay? So for our outdoor IP65 weatherproof design na rin siya. If you could see brightness natin for outdoor, umaabot ng up to 5,000 nits kasi importante rin yung factor ng brightness. Okay, so that's our LED wall. Now we have the Super Sign CMS. So again, our Super Sign CMS are compatible with our monitor signages, especially number one requirement is my web OS sila. Since lahat ng mga monitor signages natin has built-in web OS, this Super Sign CMS is compatible. Okay, so if you could see on the screen, available display, compatible with OLED signage, digital signage, video walls, LED signages, and also this CMS can have multiple admins. So let's say I'm the pinaka main admin niya. So I'll enroll or I'll register different admins. In this one, si admin A, siya yung tagapaggawa ng content to create. Admin B, siya yung sa schedule. Si admin C, siya yung magdi-distribute ng content. So every admin, I have the power to assign whichever task kung anong assigned task nila. Okay? So, that's our multiple. That will be, yun yung meaning ng mga multiple admins natin. Also, it also shows here na pwede rin ma-manage yung CMS or ma-access yung CMS through our phone. So, let's say nasa um, ground floor ka and then may kailangan kang palitan na content sa third floor. So, hindi mo na kailangan umakit sa third floor to change the content, but you can also access it sa laptop mo or sa phone mo to change the content, pause the content, or stop the content. Okay, so that's the advantage of our Super Sign CMS. So one license per display. So that's separate siya sa mga monitor signages natin na. So if you're looking to buy the monitor signages and then kailangan nyo ng content management, so we also offer the Super Sign CMS. Right? So here, next we have the touch natin. So we have our interactive board. So our interactive board, so we have minimum of 55, 65, 75, 86, and we have our upcoming na 98-inch and 105-inch na interactive board. So this up to 20 to 40 points multi-touch. So ito yung ino-offer namin for academes, which is it's good for interactive sa mga students nila. Okay, so excellent writing experience, and then may embedded Android OS na siya. So for our interactive org, may compatible OPS slot rin tayo if you're looking forward to have a dual mode. So may pang Android mode tayo, and for Windows mode. Okay, so yun yung nagagawa ng OPS natin. Okay, so if ever gusto nyo may parang Windows mode tayo for the interactive board, we do have OPS slot for that one. Okay, so it comes with professional annotation tools, digital boards. This one, it has no integrated camera, but it is compatible with third-party camera. So and then may mga Bluetooth rin naman siya. Okay, so that's for our interactive board. Also next we have our One Quick series. Now this is our all-in-one conference solution, so video solution. So we have One Quick Share, One Quick Works, and One Quick Flex. For One Quick Works, this is our 55-inch, and One Quick Flex is our 43-inch. Now the difference is this: for One Quick Works, may integrated siya na camera, microphone, and speaker. So yung microphone niya, I mean yung camera niya is 4K resolution, and for One Quick Flex, 2K resolution. Okay? And then si One Quick Flex, may sarili siyang stand. So if you'll be purchasing the One Quick Flex, kasama na yung stand niya, because good thing about One Quick Flex kasi naro-rotate siya. So pwede siyang pang portrait, pwede siya pang landscape. So pag ni-rotate mo siya pang portrait, automatically nagiging portrait yung screen. Okay? But for One Quick Works, landscape lang yung magiging ano niya. So, hindi siya compatible for portrait. Also, desk stand lang. Hindi siya like the same with One Quick Flex na may movable stand siya. Okay, so yan. So it has dual modes. We have the one quick works na mode or one quick flex na mode, and then the Windows mode. So si one quick works or flex na mode, dito yan is yung mga pang video conference solution natin. Dito yung mga meeting rooms, digital boards, Skype, MS Teams. Also, pwede tayo may parang MS Store dito. You can install different applications that can be used for the conference solutions. So, nandito siya lahat. For one quick share, this is a dongle where you can share your content. So, 1:1 yung one quick share natin na. So, sa laptop ko and I would like to share content sa isang LG monitor Synergist, you can share it. So, we can share up to 4 screens simultaneously, but given 1:1 yung one quick share dongle natin. Also, just to disclaimer po, si One Quick Share has a compatibility matrix. Depends sa mga compatible model niya na LG. If ever kung anong model na compatible lang. Alright? So, that's our One Week series. Okay, so our all-in-one video conference solution. Okay, so yeah, so that is the last type of our monitor sandwiches. So if you have other questions, you could always reach out to us. Can reach out to my PM, si Sir JR, after the event, or to me, directly to me as well regarding technical specifications or requirements. Okay, for our applications for monitor and monitor scientist series, we have nagagamit siya sa mga lobbies, transport terminals, malls, schools, and even especially sa mga monitoring systems. For LED, more on function rooms, large auditoriums, cinema, and corporate offices. Okay, so that ends my presentation. Thank you everyone for listening. Have a great day.